Hey, economic monkeys. Today, we're going to find out why prices suddenly go up and why bananas always get more expensive. Imagine a jungle full of monkeys. In this jungle, bananas are money. If you have bananas, you can buy things. One day, the Monkey King says, everyone gets more bananas. But no new bananas are grown. The monkeys are happy. But there's a small problem. There are more bananas in hands, but not more bananas in the jungle. When everyone has more bananas, they're willing to pay more. So the price of bananas goes up. This is called inflation. More money, same amount of goods, higher prices. Now imagine all the monkeys want bananas at the same time. But bananas are limited. Competition begins. The banana seller thinks, everyone wants bananas, so I'll raise the price. Remember this, when money increases, but goods do not, inflation happens. If you enjoyed this banana story, hit the like button with a banana. See you in the next economic story.